The following portion of Indy Now is sponsored by We Grow Hair Indy.
And joining us, we have their clinic director and longtime friend of the show, Darren Andrews, to share more about their services. Darren, welcome back.
Thanks for having us. Good to see you guys.
Yeah. Good to see you.
Hard to believe it's December.
I know, it's wild.
Crazy.
Great head of hair on
Yes.
Thank you.
too, by the way.
Well,
I
same
know.
here, of course.
Thank you very
Looking
much.
great,
Yeah.
gentlemen.
Thank you.
Well, that's what I know you help people with. You help people with their confidence and just
Right,
feeling
yeah.
their best. Give
Yep.
us a little overview for anybody that's watching maybe. For the
Yeah,
first time.
so we've been at this for 20 years, of course, at the Pyramid Buildings. My specialty, where I kind of focus, is hair transplant side of things. And of course, over that 20 years, we've had lots of VIPs and different guys. And of course, we've got another one that's, I think, early February is having a multi-unit hair grafting hair transplant procedure. Jason Hammer, of course, from WIBC. So we're excited.
Oh, wonderful.
Yep.
Well, we've got a little clip. Let's go take a look at it.
People, what's going on? I'm Jason Hammer. I do the Hammer and Nigel Show at 93.1 WIBC in Indianapolis. I am a soon-to-be a VIP, I guess, of We Grow Hair Indy. Looking forward to joining the awesome staff and family and people who have been helped. I do a lot of TV appearances, cable news hits. I'm on YouTube streams every day doing the radio show. So I'm ready for a little help here, and I cannot wait to get the process started. So thank you, Darren. Thank you, We Grow Hair Indy.
Yeah.
Nice.
So how are you going to help him? He
Yeah,
mentioned
so-
he was, very visible.
Yeah, so what's
Right.
interesting about Hammer is he came in a few years ago. He had crown hair loss, and he didn't realise we could actually transplant the crown and the front at the same time.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Now,
great.
the crown has certain needs. Artistically, you've got to remake that swirl pattern, but the multi-unit hair grafting, one of the benefits of that is you can do larger areas at one time. So he wanted to get the front and crown done at one time. So the Sharpie you saw, well, this is me, of course. You've seen that image.
Looking good, Darren.
That guy.
The old days and then today, but some of those images you saw with Hammer with the Sharpie marked on the front, that was the hairline that we had marked out. Obviously with me, I had that general thinning through the top of the scalp. I had multi-unit hair grafting, which is the same as what we're doing with Hammer, and that was about 20 years ago when I had it done.
That was 20 years
20
ago.
years ago,
And
so-
here is your luscious hair right now.
Yes, and obviously it still continues to do whatever it's going to do on the back so far as colour goes.
Yeah.
So,
And it's yours, and it's permanent.
Yep, so you're relocating genetically permanent hair from the back. We don't just do transplants, we do every available medically proven option. We have other transplant types called artist robotic FUE, but we do treatments, early stage hair loss as well.
That's
Wow,
great.
That's great, yeah.
Yeah. So how important is it to your clients to show a good image?
Oh, super important. You know, like even where we're at now, a lot of people looking to the new year, looking for New Year's resolutions, thinking to summer, right? Takes about 4 to 5 months to see about 50% of the new growth. So if you're doing a procedure in the colder months, you're going to have great hair by the time we get to summer. Rick DeMulling, of course, one of our VIPs, played for the Colts. And
nice.
we love Rick, great guy. So before and after, obviously got a hairline back. When we talk about hairlines, the good thing about a hairline, or the important thing about a hairline, is it's got to be natural, it's got to be age specific. We don't want one of these straight, flat hairlines that you see some guys having done with hair transplants. That's a big no-no because as you age, facial structure changes. It's got to look natural as you age. So all that's part of it.
All good things to think about. And like you were saying, everybody just wants to feel their best. So if this is something that you're watching and somebody's thinking, I'd like to learn more about it because it's going to make me feel more confident or whatever it is, talk to us about the evaluation process.
Yeah, so in-person or virtual evaluation. In person at the Pyramid Buildings, of course. So give us a call. You can go to the website, 317-522-2995. Tons of info on the site, videos, all sorts of content. So check it out.
That's
Amazing.
great.
Thank
Darren,
you.
thanks as always for being here. We appreciate it. Give them a call or go to their website, wegrowhairindy.com. The preceding portion of Indy Now was sponsored by We Grow Hair Indy.